Mathaine ma thinacara na nuthu mwena wa Magina gicigo-ini kia ubunge kia Rari kaunti-ini ya Kiambu nikuo Raphael Tuju mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee akuruhanirio mutino-ini wa barabara na ngari ya nuclear iria kumite mwena wa Naikuru irorete guku Nairobi kuri andu 18 nio magurarire mutino-ini uyu. Thutha wa mutino uyu kuhanika, Minister Amina Mohamed uma hakuhi na aria ngari ya Raphael Tuju marorete mwena wa Kabarak mathiko-ini ma Daniel Arap Moi na mamuguthukia thibitari-ini ya Kijabi. Kuringana na ndagitari uria wamukirire Tuju hamwe na athii aria mauma mutino-ini uyu augite othe 18 matiri hatikaini kuri athii no marathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani na amwe yao ni makurekererio kuma thibitari-ini ino akiuga angi ni maguthie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani.
Most of those who are involved in sustained minor injuries, and this will be attended to and discharged promptly. And then there are those that will be admitted for further care, but a lot of them will not need, from what we've determined, many of them will not need any operative intervention. It is just for observation and for medication and for rehabilitation and then discharge.
So far, we are investigating just to find out what exactly happened.
Tuju aikarire thibitari-ini ya Kijabi makiria ma mathaa mana kuria kuri mathaa-ini ma thaa 7:30 niguo arehirwo guku mucii wa Nairobi na ndege ya borithi. Muhuhu ukiuga aya gukorwo arehirwo thibitari-ini ya Karen kuria arathie na mbere na kwamukira urigitani. Governor wa Machakos Alfred Mutua, Minister wa Ukui James Macharia, Minister wa Ukinyaniria Joe Mucheru na mubunge wa Makueni Dan Manzu nimekinyirie thibitari-ini ya Kijabi thutha wa kwamukira ripoti ya mutino uyu.
I have gone and I've seen him and he's stable, waiting to be moved after surgery, the normal being in the normal system when you come from surgery, but he's good, and we pray to God and ask Kenyans to pray for him and also for the other patients so that they can be well.
As drivers take on this road, we like them to be patient and make sure that they take maximum care in terms of, carrying passengers and avoid such instances.
Ndumiriri o yothe igimainie na uria mwandiki munene Raphael Tuju ahana irutagwo ni Joe Mucheru, Minister wa Ukinyaniria. Orere uthuthuria utafanitio wa gukurana kiria kiracungiririe mutino uyu wa barabara. Tuju na 17 aria makuruhanirio mutino-ini wa barabara matire hatikaini. Ngiribotera Kameme TV de Kijabi kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, Retora kwani Wanjiru wa Foro.